I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remotely sign out of your Facebook account on a specific single device using the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap Menu in the row of icons at the bottom of the screen. The menu screen opens. Step 3. Tap Settings at the top of this menu. The Settings and Privacy screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap Account Center at the top of this menu. You'll land on the Meta Account Center screen. Step 5. Navigate to the Account Settings section and then tap Password and Security in this section. Step 6. Navigate to the Security Check section and then tap Where You're Logged In. The Where You're Logged In screen is displayed, showing you all of the accounts you have for different Meta services. Step 7. Tap your Facebook account in this list. Your Facebook account activity screen is shown, where you can see all of the devices you've recently logged into your Facebook account on. Step 8. Tap the specific device you want to remotely sign out of your Facebook account on. An information screen for that specific device is displayed. Step 9. Tap Log Out on this screen. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to log out of Facebook on this device. Step 10. Tap Log Out again. You'll be routed back to the Settings and Privacy screen, and you'll see a note letting you know that you've successfully logged out of your Facebook account on that device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.